The runway is right there. So, why can a go-around become one of the busiest moments in the cockpit?
Go around, set go around thrust.
The crew must immediately transition from landing the airplane to flying a miss approach.
Go around thrust set.
Flap 15.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Within seconds, the crew begins reconfiguring the aircraft while continuing to fly the missed approach. Every action must be completed in the correct sequence while maintaining situational awareness. A go-around isn't a mistake. It's a normal maneuver that demands precision, teamwork, and discipline.